So I turn on my my PC I've had for about a week, and heard this loud noise. I was worried it was my graphics card, but no. So I undo my case and I take a look, and the nice guys from CyberPower, okay, decided to leave a sticker on my fan. So it's making this very scary noise. I will be taking that off.